YouTube, what is up? So the other day I was on Amazon and I was looking for some watch bands for my Ultra, and I came across these AMSKY silicone watch bands. They come 6 to a pack. You know, they have a different array of color selections, but what really caught my eye was the reviews on this. Over 37,000 reviews, and it's a 4.7 out of 5 stars. Now that's pretty good. Then I got to looking at the price, and it was only $16. I think that the smaller 38, 39 watch bands are like even $1 cheaper. Now, I went ahead and I got them, and these are some good silicone bands, but there is something that you need to know about them. And something else I'd like for you to know is I'd really like for you to sub to my channel. I'm on the road to 1,000 subs, and I really could use your help on that. So what do you say? Let's get into it. As you can see here, the colors that I got black, and then I got this green and this navy blue, this peach. I guess that's like a peach. Yeah, peach.
Must be a peach of a hand.
And white. And I've got the white just to show you guys. I have just the regular 44 millimeter. This was like the SE. Second generation, and then of course I've got here, you know, my Ultra that and it, comes in red. So I got 6 of these cool little silicone bands. I gotta tell you, I bought these. They were delivered last month. After I got them, I think the next day is when I wore them. I did a quick little, unboxing or unbagging, recorded it real quick. I've been wearing the black silicone one. I guess I should have washed it a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just a sweaty boy. I've been wearing the black band, since the 14th or 15th of last month. Went out and about a couple of days ago, so I switched it to the red. And, I had my Andar, technically T, shout out T, red, case, and, and I had a red t-shirt, and, I was all fly because I was all red. Huh? They're durable. I haven't had any issues. I haven't had any, breaking out or anything like that. I don't have, sensitive skin, so, I don't
Today, Junior?
No, silicone. It's silicone. But the one thing that I did want to kind of go over with y'all on this is the size. As you can see here, that's, there's 3, 6, 9, 12 holes. 12 holes.
If that guy catches you with the box of his eye holes.
This will fit just about, any type of wrist circumference. It does have this double loop. I'll be honest with you, I don't use this part of it. I don't use it like this. As a matter of fact, I had my wife try this on, to see how it fit her. And she ran it through here and ran it like so. And I was like, oh, is that what that's for? I put it on. I'm just flipping it around like so, and then snapping it, and then tucking it, and then putting it on, like this. So I don't know. Either way, it works both ways. My wife's wrist is 6 1/4 inches circumference, I believe is what we...
Sure about that?
Yep, 6 1/4. She wrote it down. When she had it on, and now granted, she was just wearing the 44 SE, not the Ultra, but when she had it on, I forget how far back it was, but the underband, the end here, was getting rather close to the bottom of the watch. And as you can see here, there's still a ton of, size holes left on this thing. So when you get to like the third or is it the third or the fourth? You know, it's starting to wrap up under into your watch, and that's not, nobody wants that, right?
He ain't lying.
That's the fourth hole. So the fourth hole, third hole, second hole, first hole coming from the top of the band, it's going to, I mean, look at this. You put it on the first hole, and it's going up under your watch, right? But then again, I don't really think anybody, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I can't say nobody's wrist is that small.
Welcome back, Captain Obvious.
So let's try 5. I think 5 was the magic. Yeah, 5 is like right there. I love it that my wife, you know, has a little sewing kit and stuff like this. I grab this little measuring tape all the time. So let's just, you know, just for giggles, you know, getting the circumference around in here. This isn't very scientific, is it, kids? This whole idea, it sounded good in my head. Who's talking in there? Just loosely in here, right around in there. So you're probably, yeah, like 5.5. I'd say 5.5, you'll probably be okay. But again, you know, these are, you know, simple to take off and simple to put on. I don't know if I wasn't paying attention. I mean, which way? Oh, look, didn't think about this, but you could mix and match. I don't know, how goofy does that look? Where am I going with this? Yeah, there's now this is all solid through here, but then you can tell on the inside, there's a little bit of an indention. Who shows the good indention? Who's got the best indention color? Probably the white. But yeah, it has a little, you can tell the inside of the band has got a little indentation, while this is, you know, outside, and of course, the little button thing is on the outside. Let's see. Shrink, and it locks in there, and then you just, you know, throw it on. Although, I don't know. Yeah? You think? Maybe?
Cool.
I mean, it's 2 colors that go together. And like I said, the number of colors, they have all sorts of different color combinations. They don't slide off. They're water resistant, you know, sweat resistant. And, you know, I haven't, you know, no color bleeds or anything like that. And if you're looking for more of a high-end looking watch band, why don't you check out this video? This is a nice looking titanium watch band that goes with my Ultra. Very inexpensive. So check out this video and a sub to the channel. That would be swell. Peace and love, y'all.